In behalf of Class 2010 of Holy Rosary College CAT Unit, it is a great pleasure to greet all of you a pleasant afternoon. Today marks the end of a year of drills and protocols. We will soon be missing Friday afternoon trainings and courtesy calls. This will be the last hours of our year-long training that had come. We would like to acknowledge your presence in this very significant moment in our term. The Holy Rosary College CAT Unit will be presenting a silent drill exhibition. Our past exhibitions elicited a throng of commendations and so inspired us to be a part of an efficient system of molding the leaders of tomorrow from the youth of today. Elaborately, courtesy is being referred to as the manifestation of respect towards others, regardless of individual stature in life. It is one of the factors that enhance the performance of any batch or class. Eventually, we can see them assemble to the initials of HRC, Holy Rosary College, in acknowledgement of its continuous support given to our unit. It only shows how proud the Rosarian Knights are for representing their beloved alma mater. It always takes two to success. That is why our unit together with the administration, faces the challenges of implanting traits of a stable leader in the heart of every Rosarian. Explicit double cross formation, which signifies the belief and faith of the HRC CAT personnel in the Divine Creator, and religion, which is one of the factors that mold present and future leaders. There are times of several physical and mental fatigue in which we look on to someone to lean on. In these times, we, the people behind the name Batch Saniwa 2009 to 2010, back in our faith and in our divine guidance, believing that God helps those who help themselves and those who merely seek Him. The first circle shows the passing of rifles in a distinct manner. It is not easy, for there might be a tendency of losing them in a hole. On the other hand, the second circle shows the passing of rifles around, but in a different way. There should be coordination and patience in every element. Training develops this virtue. They now march their way to form the rosary. This signifies the belief that the Divine Creator who gave the strength to overcome our weaknesses, insecurities, and fatigues in the field of freedom. To the Queen of the Most Holy Rosary, who emblems the symbol of faith, hope, and charity. The HRCC unit works not only for the good of its constituents, but also for the good of each Rosarian.
Ako, matay tayo sila. Gusto nga sa nag-edit eh. No?